In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change the touch and hold delay on a Samsung device. This setting determines how long you need to hold your finger on the screen before it is recognized as a touch and hold gesture. By adjusting this delay, you can make it easier or harder to activate the touch and hold feature. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the bottom. Tap Accessibility. After that, tap Interaction and Dexterity. And then scroll down again, and under the Touch Settings section, you'll see the Touch and Hold Delay option. Just tap on it. Set how long it takes for a continuous touch to be recognized as a touch and hold. You can set this to 0.3 seconds, which is very short, 0.5 seconds, which is short, 1 second, which is medium, and finally, 1.5 seconds, which is long. You can also set a custom time. To do that, tap Custom, and then touch and hold the box for your desired custom touch and hold delay time. Once you've done that, tap Save to save changes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.